Hello, welcome our Gearresearch channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best brad nailer for the money that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1 Wen 61721 18-gauge 3/8 inch to 2-inch pneumatic brad nailer. When it comes to tools that pack a lot of value into low price tags, Wen leads the way. The 61721 brad nailer is an 18-gauge nailer that fires 3/8 inch to 2-inch long brads, making it more versatile than some much more expensive nailers. It features a spring-loaded magazine, an adjustable depth drive, and toolless jam clearing for more ease-of-use features than many other value-minded tools. The Wen 61727's exhaust port is adjustable, allowing users to steer it clear of their faces or dusty surfaces. This brand nailer is a little heavier than other options on the list and doesn't feature an automatic bump setting. However, the Wen comes with a hard carrying case for safe storage and easy organization. This nail gun is a good starter or secondary gun if you are looking to expand your tool collection. The gun works with any air compressor and can operate anywhere from 60 to 115 psi, ensuring you have enough power to drive a nail down into tough materials. For additional comfort, the gun includes a rubber grip built right into the handle. The rubber absorbs the shock that courses up the nail gun with each shot, which can make using it a more comfortable experience. Number 2 Porter Cable 20 VMAX Cordless Brad Nailer. For portability and ergonomics, Porter Cable's PCC 790L 820 VMAX Cordless Brad Nailer might be the answer. This model fires 18-gauge brad nails in lengths between 5/8 and 2 inches and features ergonomic weight distribution for user comfort in a variety of positions. This also makes it one of the lightest cordless battery-operated nailers in its class. This Porter Cable model features a tool-free jam release to allow the user to clear jammed brads quickly and safely. It also has a tool-free depth adjustment wheel with a view window, showing the user how deeply the adjustment is set. It also features LED lights for dark work areas. There is a downside, however, this tool doesn't feature an automatic bump firing mode. This nail gun is designed for portability. In addition to the cordless design, the weight of the tool is centered near the handle, which can help reduce hand fatigue during long projects. All of the common adjustments and releases like the depth adjustment and jam lever are tool-free. The 100-nail magazine uses 18-gauge nails. It includes a belt hook, so you can carry it with you while you work. A battery-operated nail gun is the way to go. Simply charge the battery, stick it into the nail gun, and you are ready to tackle most of the typical DE projects around your house or yard. Number 3 Dewalt Finish Nailer Kit, 18GA, 5/8 inch. If you don't want to deal with the hassle of using an air compressor and dragging air hoses with you, one of the best cordless brad nailers you can opt for is this Dewalt DCN 680B. There are other Dewalt brad nailers, but this one tops it for me. It has a narrow nose design which improves your line of sight and helps you sink brads accurately without missing the mark or damaging the material. With the DCN 680B, you have an 18-gauge brad nailer with the capacity to drive brad nails from 5/8 inches to 2/1/8 inches in length. It's the ideal unit you need for fastening decorative moldings, kitchen crown, window trims, shoe moldings and casings. It comes equipped with a brushless motor which is more energy efficient, and it can be powered by any of Dewalt's 20 VMAX lithium-ion batteries. This Dewalt DCN 680B has everything you need to tackle projects both on and off the job site, whether they're large or small, professional or DE. It features a tool-free selectable trigger you can use to choose between bump firing and full sequential firing modes. You can countersink nails at precisely the right depth you want using the tool-free depth adjustment dial it's equipped with. Though you'll have very few nail jams, you can clear jams quite easily using a tool-free jam release lever right at the nose of the tool. If there are no nails in the magazine, the Dewalt DCN 680B will not fire when actuated. A low nail lockout prevents any dry firing that might damage your material or leave unwanted marks on the surface. Number 4 Electric Brad Nailer, NuMax NTC 0040 Electric. The NuMax electric brad nailer is the best electric brad nailer for a number of reasons, including a built-in rubber nose that effectively eliminates accidental marring and a sensor that makes sure it does not fire unless it is intentional. We also loved that this electric brad nailer for household work does not need an air compressor to function and that it features a handy 2-in-1 design, excelling with both brad nails and crown staples, making it a must-have for many DIY projects. Though we loved the support for both brad nails and crown staples, we did notice that this model cannot handle brad nails longer than 1 inch, which could impact performance with heavy-duty construction projects. Additionally, this is a heavier than average brad nailer, clocking in at over 5 pounds. To complete your set of DIY materials, you should also read our guide to the best levels. That is unrivaled in the world of finish nailers. Oftentimes, manufacturers like to bundle a brad nailer along with a staple gun for your air compressor. Keep in mind that usually, these are fairly low-quality products intended for the bargain shopper. Number 5 Bostitch Brad Nailer Kit, 18GA, Smartpoint. This Bostitch BTFP 12233 features one of the best tip designs you're going to find. It features Bostitch Smartpoint technology which incorporates a smaller nose design on the nailer, making it easy to place nails accurately. Unlike other brad nailers, you don't have to compress the tip to fire nails with it as well, which improves the accuracy and prevents denting of the workpiece. With the Bostitch BTFP 12233, you can fire nails from 5/8 inches to 2/18 inches easily. It will fire every nail flush into the wood, even when you're toe nailing with it. Nail jams are something you'll not be dealing with a lot when you use this Bostitch nailer, but if you ever had to deal with one, the BTFP 12233 features a tool-free jam release lever mechanism you can use to clear the jam easily. You don't need any oil to get this nail gun working. It's an oil-free brad nailer, which means less maintenance and lower risk of oil stains on your workpiece. It features a selectable trigger which allows you to choose between sequential and contact firing mode, depending on what you're comfortable with. You can also adjust the depth of drive or how far the nails sink into the wood using a simple depth control dial that it comes equipped with. If you're not working with the tool or handling it, the simple belt hook it comes with will allow you to keep it within reach until you need it again. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.